Hello, and welcome to a short bite training video brought to you by the State Library of North Carolina and the Library Strengthening Connections team. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Taylor Fountain, one of the digital facilitators for the grant team, and today we're going to be talking about technology inventories. Now, a technology inventory is important because there are a lot of key devices and computers that are involved in making your organization work. Keeping an inventory allows you to maintain the information for all of those important machines and have it available at a moment's notice. This allows you to keep track of your life cycles and replacement times, so that way your organization can continue to run smoothly. To begin setting up your inventory, the first thing you'll need is an Excel file. Start by clicking your Start button and then your Excel program. Click File, and then click Blank Workbook. Once you have a page that looks like this, you're ready to get started. This can also be done in Google Sheets if you don't have Office. So at the top of the document, the first thing you'll want to do is label it. This is so that way you know what the file is and it's easy to find. Below that, we have fields for county name, branch name, and number of staff. These are helpful because it allows you to sort the data and find exactly what you're looking for. The third section is the most important and the entire purpose of the inventory, the PC information. For this example, I've included cells for PC name, serial number, the model, the operating system, available RAM, and available hard drive space. But this section can be customized to include any headings or information that is relevant to your organization. Below that, we have a section for peripheral information. A peripheral device is anything that is not part of the computer itself, such as a monitor, a mouse, keyboards. Usually we use this section to keep track of printers, fax machines, scanners, and any additional devices we need to run the organization that are not part of the computer itself. At the very bottom, you can create tabs for individual branches of your organization. So that way, each group is organized by location. Here's an example of one that we currently use. As you can see, everything is sorted by name and location. So anytime a computer goes down, I can find it at a moment's notice. Now, you might be asking yourself, what good is an inventory without any data in it? To get the data, all you have to do is click your Start button and click Settings. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the About button. This is called the System Settings page, and it shows you all of the information that you would usually put in the inventory, such as name, RAM, product IDs. You can even find the install date, which tells you when your computer was set up. This computer, for example, was set up in November of 24. Once you have set up your inventory, as we have shown, and populated it with the data that you need, then you're ready to start managing your technology like a true IT professional. Don't forget to save your inventory regularly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you join us again for another short bite video from the North Carolina State Library and the Library Strengthening Connections team. See you later.